Hello there, welcome to my channel. This is the Gen Z Analyst, and on this channel, you will learn everything from financial modeling to business valuations to Microsoft Excel and skills to analyzing data to accounting and finance topics. So, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also don't forget to like my videos and share with others. All right, so now in this particular video, we're going to do something very important, and that has been a concern of many who have come across my channel. So recently, I've been receiving messages from my viewers who express concern about how to navigate the the playlists on my channel, and so that's precisely what we are going to address in this particular video. So as you can see, I've opened my channel and this is my channel. If you open it, this is the home page. When you come to the channel, you will see the home page and then you see a set of videos here. What I would like you to do is to navigate to the playlist. The playlist is meant to help organize the videos on the channel, right? So that you can better understand what to learn and what not to learn. All right, now if you look at my channel, you see that I have a number of playlists. Each playlist is addressing a particular topic or is on a particular topic, right? So I can see that the most based on the number of views that I have on each playlist, I can see that this particular playlist, this particular one, financial modeling and valuation analysis free course, is my most viewed playlist. And that, I believe, is where the concern is coming from. So let's look at that particular this particular playlist, and then we'll come back to the others quickly. So I'm going to view full course. So view it here. So as you can see, recently YouTube has converted most playlists into courses, right? So a playlist is also categorized as a course. Don't be confused; it's the same thing. The content is the same, especially when it comes to my channel because most of my videos are courses, right? Okay, that's just by the way. So when you open this particular playlist, that's the financial modeling evaluation analysis free course playlist. I have a number of videos under this particular playlist. In fact, if you look at here, I have 45 different videos. Now, this consists of both long form videos as well as short and short videos or shorts, right? So as you can see, this is a short here. So I have a number of them. So we are going to look at how this playlist is organized and how to better derive maximum benefit from the playlist. Okay, so the first thing I want you to know is that the playlist is the first playlist I created. And because it got the traction from the very beginning of this channel, almost all my videos have been pushed here. So it contains a lot of videos on anything at all. So when you open my channel and you come to this particular playlist, you might be confused as others are genuinely are. All right. So that is something that is expected. And that is why this particular video is very important. So I'm going to help you to be able to navigate the videos here, and then we'll look at the other playlists as I've said, and then we'll end the video there. So first of all, you need to understand that because the channel covers videos from financial statement preparation to um, interpretation to forecasting to valuation. That is how your learning curve should be. All right. And that is how the videos are on this particular channel. So in this particular playlist, if you want to really understand the content of the playlist, then you need to follow this particular process as I'm going to talk about. The first kind of videos that you watch are those that are on preparing financial statements. Okay. So if you navigate through um the playlist, you see how to prepare financial statements in Excel, how to automate accounting ledgers, extract a trial balance, and prepare financial statements. So if you want to get started, depending on your level of understanding of accounting, you might want to start from the very beginning and flow in that manner. So this particular video is what I would recommend that you watch first: how to automate accounting ledgers and extract a trial balance and prepare financial statements in Excel. Then you can move on to how to prepare financial statements in Excel, right? That's the second video I would like you to watch. Then after that, once you know how to prepare the financial statement, you can now go ahead to learn the interpretation of these financial statements. So that's where you now go to the interpretation video. So as you can see, interpretation and analysis of financial statements, right? But first of all, you need to, before you watch that particular video I just mentioned, you need to watch this particular one. Let's scroll down. Let's go down to top 20 accounting ratios. Yes. So top 20 accounting ratios and their interpretations. So you need to watch this particular video first, which summarizes the main or popular accounting ratios, right, in under 24 minutes or within 24 minutes, right? So watch this particular video first, then you come to this one, interpretation and analysis of financial statements. All right, so you watch that one as well. Once you do that, you can now come and watch the forecasting. So we know how to prepare financial statements, we know how to interpret financial statements. Now those two are the foundations for building models or forecasts. So once you do that, you can now come and learn how to build the three statement financial model, which is the first video here, right? Build a three statement financial model like a pro in 2024. Once you learn this, you can now go and learn this particular one. Build a three statement model like a pro, adding visualizations to your financial model. That's a continuation of the one I just mentioned, right? Then you can come back to this particular one, which is this number 3 here, how to build discounted cash flow models from scratch and in Excel. So step-by-step guide. Then you can now go ahead and learn this particular one, DCF tutorial, how to calculate the WACC and growth rate for a financial model. All right, so that is what we have there. Then after that, we can now go ahead and watch this particular one. How to use accounting equation to calculate enterprise value and equity value, right? Then once you do that, you can now go and watch the FP&A videos, so financial planning and analysis, budgeting and forecasting in Excel 1. Then you can come back here, financial planning analysis, the cash budget and master budget tutorial, right? Then you can continue with this particular one, financial planning and analysis, building a 12-month rolling forecast. So once you watch these videos that I've mentioned in the order in which I've mentioned them, you can watch the other ones. Now the other ones, you see that I've included parts, so part 1, part 2. The other ones that are how to build a world class, they shouldn't be watched in any manner. Okay, you can watch them after you've watched these ones that I've demonstrated right now. So the other content can be watched later on. As I said, this is my first playlist, and so it has almost all my videos here, right? So that is what this playlist is about. Now let's go back to the other playlist and see what is there. So we are going back to the playlists. Now if you come to the playlists, we have, so this one is the one I just demonstrated. It is the most watched playlist, and so it's likely that when you come across my channel, that is what you're going to see first. But we have other playlists. So for instance, this particular one, basic to advanced financial modeling and valuation, is also a full course on financial modeling and valuation, but that is based on an analysis of Amazon financial statements. And for that, I have done, it's a more recent video, so I've been able to organize it in a way that can be followed. So you see part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5, part 6, part 7, part 8, all the way to valuation videos. So it should be watched in accordance with the one that comes first, right? Now, after that is watched, then you can now go ahead and watch the other videos there, which are in other playlists as well. So now let's start from the start. We have the leverage buyout here. That one is already organized. We have Excel skills for business professionals. That one too is organized. But as I said, you will see some of these videos in this playlist, in this particular playlist. All right, in this particular playlist. So don't get confused. Then financial planning and analysis videos, they're also here. All right, and those can be found in this playlist too. These videos, some of them can be found in this playlist as well. Financial management, that is for those who are writing financial management exams, whether for a BSc program or for a professional certification program. These videos can be helpful to you. Okay. Then we have mastering financial accounting in Excel. These ones also cover fundamental accounting concepts. And so this should be something that you should watch first if you are getting started with accounting, right? So you have to watch that. This deals with consolidated financial statements based on IFRS accounting standards. So if you want to learn advanced accounting concepts like consolidation, then this particular playlist is for you, right? Then this is the interpretation of financial statement videos that I talked about in this particular playlist as well. So they are all here too. Then we have the Power BI videos. Currently, I have only 2 videos, and I'll be adding more very soon. We have a video on Python as well. It's also here for you to watch. This is another playlist on consolidated financial statement, but this is based on, so this is basic groups, right? Basic groups, and this is for complex groups. So complex groups, that's more advanced consolidation videos. Then we have Excel for financial analysts and accounting professionals. So this one to cover basic accounting skills for financial analysts and accounting professionals. So basically, this is my YouTube channel, and I hope this particular guide serves you in your navigation of the videos, right? So in a nutshell, let me conclude by saying that if you are new to accounting, start with mastering financial accounting in Excel and come to Excel for financial analysts and accounting professionals. Once you do that, then you come back to interpretation of financial statements, ratios and analysis playlist, right? And then you can now look at some of these videos, Excel skills for business professionals as well. Once you do that, you can come and watch the basic to accounting and advanced financial modeling and valuation analysis course. You can learn that, and then come to financial modeling and valuation analysis free course. Okay, and then you can watch the others as you deem fit. So that is how to navigate my videos on this particular channel. All right, so thank you very much for your attention. And if you have any more questions, the links to contact me are always here. I have my LinkedIn profile here. You can connect with me. My Telegram channel is also here as well. My email address is there for you to contact me. And so everything is there for you to have a very comfortable learning journey. All right, so thank you very much for your attention. I hope to see you in my subsequent videos.